In this video we will be talking about 10 lessons you must learn before age 30. Whether you're in your early or late 20s, there's one thing you can count on. The big 30 is coming. Depending on where you are in life and how you feel, that's either good or bad news. Age really is nothing but a number. It's all in your mind. How you feel, act, and think. Turning 30 is no big deal. The problem is feeling lost. But there's a solution. Read The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. The best is yet to come. Life is just getting started. Here are our 10 lessons you must learn before age 30. Number 1. Eliminate debt. I know it might be hard to do before turning 30. The reality is that you should have never get into debt. But hey, we all make mistakes. Debt will haunt you until you eliminate it. When it comes to your finances, debt is poison. Just like getting your own place, do whatever necessary to take care of it. Dedicate time and plan to pay everything you owe. Number 2. Do things you fear. The number one thing fear does is, it controls you. Whenever you come face to face with it, you become paralyzed. Facing your fears will go on to positively affect your life in ways you couldn't imagine. Most people who don't achieve anything great is a result of fear. Fear of failure. Fear of success. Fear of what people may think. Fear of what might happen. Whatever your fear, face it today. Don't listen to your mind. It's going to do everything possible to convince you not to do it. Push through anyways. At the end of the day, you're not fighting a fear. You're fighting your mind. Number 3. Write your goals daily. The fastest way to achieve your goals is to write them down daily. Doing this ingrains them deep into your subconscious mind. This ultimately leads you to them without you even realizing it. Read that last sentence again and think about it for a moment. Number 4. Start waking up earlier. There's something powerful about being up before everyone else in any part of the world. It feels like an advantage. Getting up earlier allows you to do so many things. You can complete pending projects, go to the gym, or address any errands or priorities necessary. You'll find yourself getting so much done in a day. Most successful people share the habit of getting up earlier. Start by getting up 15 minutes earlier each week. Your goal should be to wake up no later than 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. every day. Number 5. Develop patience. You need to develop patience because things worth having takes time. And lack of patience will do harm to you. You will develop a quitter mindset, get frustrated and never be truly satisfied with your results. Worst of all, you won't achieve anything great. Learn to wait. Anything will come to you if you just wait. Number 6. Develop persistence. If you want to achieve anything in life, you must develop the power of persistence. Because those who don't quit always get what they want. You can't fail if you don't quit. Likewise, you can't succeed if you don't persist. Most things you will achieve in life will be a result of persistence. When it comes to your goals, you're going to fail, make mistakes, and get frustrated. Doesn't matter. Keep going and never quit. Number 7. Stay in contact with family. Today's fast pace and busy lifestyle makes it easy to forget staying in touch with family. Even if you don't see them often, give them a quick 10-minute phone call and let them know what you've been up to. Plan to go over their house, out to lunch, or an event. Life goes by quickly, so make it a habit to see or talk to your family often, especially during birthdays, special events, and the holiday. Number 8. Read. Knowledge is powerful, so grab a book, download the Audible app on your phone. Or read on your computer. No matter which method you prefer, read daily. I recommend a minimum of 30 minutes a day. Read material that's inspiring, positive, or informative. Don't read the newspaper, gruesome stories, or gossip magazines. Feed your mind healthy stuff, not damaging material. Put your phone on silent and enjoy 30 minutes to relax and learn something new. Social media will be there when you're done. Number 9. Try something new. It's easy to become comfortable and do the same things daily. Trying something new can feel weird and uncomfortable, but in order to grow as a person, you must try new things. There are probably a million things that you'll enjoy doing, but aren't even aware of because you haven't tried them yet. Hop online and see what activities are going on in your city. You could maybe sign up for a marathon or take piano lessons. Doesn't matter what it is, as long as it's new. Trying new things keeps your brain young and makes you an interesting person. Number 10. Save money. Whether it's 10 or 100 a month, save as much as you can starting right now. You never know when you'll have an emergency. Discipline yourself to save a certain amount of money monthly. Also make sure not to spend all your money on partying or unnecessary things. Have fun, but set a budget for yourself and always seek better deals to do things. A little effort now can save you a lot of money in the long run. Here's a recap. Eliminate debt. Do things you fear. Write your goals daily. Start waking up earlier. Develop patience. Develop persistence. Stay in contact with family. Read. Try something new. Save money. Thanks for watching.